Hey everybody, we're at Arizona Outdoor Adventure and we're going to give you a tour here of the Arizona desert. Stay tuned. Alright, the first thing you do when you get here is get your gear all sorted out. Get your goggles, get your helmet and that sort of thing.
It should be snug, but not
yeah, it'll be. Okay, so then we'll put this on too, and then you'll be ready to go. Okay.
All right, I'm ready to go. So far we have had a blast. There's a lot of dust out here, but we're having a good time. We got Owen in the back seat. Claire's riding shotgun. You having fun, Claire?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, so here's the two-seater, and here's the four-seater.
We're not to walk into these. When our guests walk into these, they come out wearing parts of it.
Does it feel weird? What does it feel like?
It feels like tiny bit slime.
Like slime, yeah.
But yeah, soft.
Soft.
And
Let's see.
that's what it feels like.
Yeesh.
I don't know.
I think it's gonna be 30 to 40 feet tall. But the desert is so abundant and fertile that just right over here, it's not one but two different medicinal plants. So it's a very expensive oil. I guess the process for extracting them is not that easy. But you walk around in CVS or Walgreens, you'll find jojoba oil in a lot of products.
Really?
And it's actually a very abundant plant here in the Sonoran Desert.
Can you eat the berries?
Is that good?
All right, buddy, you going in the two-seater for a few minutes?
Sure.
All right. All right, we're currently at the highest elevation that we're going to be. We're at 2,070 feet. Behind me, you can see I-17, which is shows you about where we're at. So we've gone a few miles here, I think, at this point. It's a 2-hour trip. All right, we've seen thousands and thousands of saguaros out here. There's Palo Verde trees, acacia. If you're from out of state, you won't even know how to pronounce half the things that are out here. But we've had a good time seeing a lot of the desert fauna. Flora that we're familiar with. We haven't seen any burros yet. Apparently there's burros out here and they eat the prickly pear. So we're looking out for those. Apparently this is an old ghost town over here. That's an old mining establishment. If you're looking for information about how to get your own ride, we'll put some links in the description for you to check out.
Wet 1, 2, 3.
Kids are showing off their muscles right now. Or their lack thereof.
What?
There's some of them. just dropped off the cars. That was super fun. Oh my goodness. I'm also so dusty. Thank goodness you have these masks. You could never do that with the dust in your eyes, but yeah, it's a super pleasant experience. We had a fun time.
Good times.
That was really fun. Down, the best thing we've done in the desert before. And we've done Jeep tours in the desert,
We have
so.
done a couple Jeep tours before. This
Yeah.
was like, no, this was more fun.
No, that warms our. That's why we do this. I love getting that review at the end of the day. People will be like, whether they were at a bachelor or bachelorette party in Sedona and they come out here for like a group thing, whether it's a corporate party or whether people are like, on their way to Sedona and the Grand Canyon and they're out here for an awesome
Right.
desert
Do
tour.
you get a lot of locals out here, or?
We do when they're bringing other people. Like
yeah.
normally it's like somebody is in town and then they come
Yeah.
out. But we get people. We'll see the same people. I have one guy who's been out here like 10 times,
Oh, wow.
and every time he's like, anytime I have somebody in town, we're here. And I'm
Yeah.
like, that's awesome.
That's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, we had a phenomenal time. Before we let you go, we had a phenomenal time. Tell us, how can people go online and reserve tickets? Do they have to reserve, or can they just come out here?
It's good to book on azoutdoorfun.com.
Yeah.
That's the best way to do it. To Make
Okay.
sure we got enough availability for everyone.
Yeah?
But we'd love to see more people in Phoenix come out and experience the UTVs and the ATVs and have a good time just like you.
Thank you so much. We had a good time.
Thank you.
Cheers. Bye. Thank you. All right, our guide's name was Lorenzo, if you want to ask for him. Great guy. We had a fun time. Don't forget to tip your guide. And don't forget to like and subscribe. PhoenixWithKids.net is our website. We got lots of things to do in Phoenix.
Yeah, drive.
Yeah.